In this video, we will do a quick demonstration of our desktop point of sale solution. Let's jump straight in. Once you've installed the zip file that we've sent to you, you can open the desktop point of sale solution from the icon on your desktop. Here, if you want to do a quick sale, you're going to jump straight to the point of sale option. But first we need to do a couple of things just to set up your profile. So the first one you want to do is probably add some users or cashiers to your profile. Here you can actually view the staff clock-in times, attendance records, the hours they've worked. You can pay your staff through this. You can add additional staff. You can give them different access rights. And there's quite a few functions that you can do here on your staff. The next thing you might want to do is add some inventory to your store. So you just go into your inventory, and as you can see here, you can do it on recipe level, or alternatively you can do it per branch. You can have different locations where you keep your stock. You can sync it with your Hive, run promotions, etc. So you can really manage quite a few things on your inventory. Plus you can also link it to your suppliers. So if you've just received a order from a supplier for, let's say, a case of beer or something like that, you can immediately link it to your supplier invoice and you can add that inventory to your shop. If you're using the recipe level, just to give you an example of that, you would be able to do sell cakes, and each item that you need for baking your cakes would subtract from the stock. So you could allocate how many eggs you're using, flour, cups of flour, sugar, etc. So really you can manage it however detailed or undetailed as you prefer. The next thing that you can do is also go into your various accounts. Here you can actually see your clients receivable, you can pay suppliers, receive payment from customers, capture any sort of expenses or slips that you've got throughout the day. You can view a basic profit and loss report, see some other data. So it's really like a nice overview of your business. And then here you can go into your Hive features, which is basically just to do a backup, import your POS buttons, export some buttons. All of the things that basically control your Hive. You can view some reports. These are all your daily, weekly items sold, things like that you can view. You can see all your clients, and you can actually see which clients owe you money, and allocate payments to clients, look at client history, who is your top clients, things like that. You can also go into all of these drop downs, and there are various options that can all that you can use to run your business, for example printing labels, etc. So once you've got everything set up the way that you want it, you can even do invoices from here and really manage anything and everything in your business. And once you've got it set up, you can choose for your staff to actually process sales. You can go into the point of sale option, and there we have the touch interface as well as the scan interface. So in a restaurant, for example, you might use your touch interface where you put various different buttons. So you've got your burger menu, your cool drink menu, your dessert menu, and then your waiters just select the various buttons. So it will look something like this. You can add your buttons. So that would be the first category. And I'll just click on it to order something. And so you click through the buttons. Alternatively, if you're going to use our scan function, then you just go back to exit, point of sale, scan interface, cash sale, into your cashier pin. And then you can immediately start scanning all the items. Once you're done, you just click on pay, and you can even reward your customer with some loyalty points. In the case of a restaurant, you can put different table numbers and different references like that. So once you're done, you just click on pay, and then it will bring up the options of how your clients can pay. And that is a very short version of our desktop solution. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we will find the features that you're looking for.